So here we are with another golden insight. We just amended our dahlia bed, and here we are with a pot. So there's a little difference between your pots and your beds and your application rates and how to calculate it all out. So we're just gonna give you one more example. This is a 45-gallon pot. There's about 6.5 gallons per cubic foot. So we're gonna give this about 2.5 to 3.5 pounds to treat the entire body of soil. Because I'm only top dressing, I'm going to scale that back just a little to that 2.5 pounds mark to get these dahlias the quick start they need for spring as well. We're just going to sprinkle it right on top, scratch it in, give it a drink of water, and you're off to the races. One of the differences between beds and pots is the pots have a smaller volume of soil and a little bit more porosity. So a lot more of the nutrient that's contained in the soil is going to wash away through all of those winter rains, precipitation, snow melt, and all of that stuff. So you're going to need to give it a little extra boost to get the results you're looking for in the spring. Thanks for checking in.